All right. I didn't care to get these, but they're going to definitely make the truck pop a little bit.
There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? Today's video, we're going to be installing something that is needed on the truck. I just got it in this week. Someone actually sent them to me for free. Thank you, Kevin Bennett. He said, you need these on your truck? He's like, do you want to take a free gift? I said, absolutely, sure. Where do you send them to? I gave him my address. He sent them out. They're in this box. I'm going to show you what they are, guys. And, yeah, we'll get started on the video. All right. I didn't care to get these, but they're going to definitely make the truck pop a little bit. These are, bam, new headlights for the Ram. They are basically the stock ones, but black. Sorry, guys. They're basically the stock ones, but black. Let's see. They look great. As you know, these are the white, regular, old. There's bird crap right on my truck. But yeah, you can see the chrome, silver / chrome, whatever you want to call it. What we're going to be putting these on. And hopefully it goes really well. I gotta clean this bird crap off the truck. Alright, guys, so we took off the grill. We took off the whatever that thing's called. Grill's off. It's like 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 right up here, and 2 bolts for the headlight. One down here, one over here, same on this side here and here. And there's like a tab, and as you can see, it's loose. There's like a tab up in here that you gotta kind of pull. So I just replaced one of these bulbs. So you go in here. Let's see if we can do all this right. Kind of like pull this out. Pretty sure there's like a tab you gotta pull. There we go. There's that. Supposedly there's like a white tab you gotta pull or something. See if I can feel it. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got it off. And this is the headlight here. It's just a little silver tab. You just lift up and down. It's hard to see inside the video. But these are the headlights. These are my other lights. So basically, just swap them into the new one. And we'll go from there, guys. It should be easy swap. Here's the tab. Here's the tab I was talking about right there. That's the tab you got to kind of feel. Easy to do. So what I'm going to do is put the bulbs in the new light. Actually, I'm going to get the one on the back. And yeah, we'll get the first one installed. Okay. So I got the new headlight in. These are my LEDs from Auto Lighting. And these are the stock fog lights. No, not fog lights. I'm sorry. Stock high beams. And this, I got to take this off of here. This just plugs into there. This piece goes right into here. Twist it in, push it back in, tighten her off. Bam. Very easy, guys. Nothing's really hard about this, but it's going to give the Ram a little bit more of aggressive look in the front. Blacked out all around instead of the white and chrome. So, gonna love it, guys. So let me get this one in, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all in. Okay, guys. All right. I don't know if you could see the before and the after. I could easily see it, but hopefully the camera catches it really good too. Yeah, looking good. We're gonna do this side real fast. Took me about 10 minutes to do that. Taking another 10 minutes to do this side, and we'll have new headlights. Headlights. Beautiful. I really like it. All right, guys, so we got the second one off. Here's the new one. Just got the plastic on it, so I'm not too worried. So what we're going to do is open these up. Open that up. Open this one up. Okay. Bam. It's too easy. Open this up on the old one. Floor. I'll clean this all up later. Same way I'm doing this with one hand and trying to do this all with this hand. Alright, as you can see, headlight. Pops right out, pulls right out nice. Take this is because that's already inside of there. So put this headlight here for now. I got this rubber thing here I had to get out. Actually wasn't that hard. This one's very easy also, guys. Very easy. Just pop the tab. Bam. Turn one way like always. Pops right out. Put it right back in here. If this is the, sorry if this isn't the best, you know, how-to video. It's not supposed to be a how-to. It's supposed to just be a, hey, it's done. Alright. Well, that's in. That's tight. I tightened that on good. This just clicks in here. As you can see, this wire, they already got the wires ready. So I'm going to get that out and get back with you. Alright guys, so headlights in. I just had to twist it and push down a little. This is in. This connection goes to there again. Bulb goes into here again. Tighten everything back up. And that's it, guys. Very easy. You could do this, I guess, with any type of headlights. It's the old one. Put the grill back on. Don't know why I tried that. I tried to use the big gun on that, and it was just a stupid idea. But nothing broke or nothing. I'm just saying. I tried to make it something faster because I didn't have any swivels for 3/8 to try and swivel in. So you can see it right there. But oh well. Let me get this in, guys, and I'll close it up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. All right, guys, we're finished. It looks great. These are beautiful. Plus, I got the blacked out fog lights to match it. And watch this. I'm gonna show you. See if they work. Oh, they work. Both lights blink on sides and high beams. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very happy with these. Thank you, Kevin Bennett. I don't even know where he got them from, guys. He just gifted me them. He said he was tired of the old chrome look when he sees my videos. It's the old chrome ones. Yeah. If you guys are new to the channel, trying to hit the track as soon as we can, but you know, there's the broken wheel. The new wheel is ordered. They are taking care of everything, if you guys want to know. See, bam, new wheel. What I'm going to do is, this is my plan. Once the new wheel comes in from Whole Shot, we're going to put that tire on the new wheel. I'm actually going to eventually get this one fixed and possibly eventually order another one so we have an extra set of 15s for maybe like a street setup. I know I don't really do much street racing, or just to make it more aggressive on the street or something. I don't know, guys. But yeah, I'm definitely going to get that fixed. I'm not going to waste that. I'll get that fixed. So what we're going to do is, when the new wheel comes, swap over, put the new Hoosiers on the new wheels. As you can see, these Hoosiers are brand new, never driven. And we'll put this on the new wheel and go race it as soon as we can, guys. We got the new tune in. Truck is feeling strong, man. Very strong. We're going to get 10s. We're definitely going for 10s. Definitely going to get it. Oh, yeah. Even in the camera, this looks very, very much better for the blacked out, for being blacked out over that chrome. So, I love it, man. Thank you, Kevin Bennett. I know he's got it on his Whipple supercharged 4-door Ram. Running very similar times to me. Very good. Yeah, it looks really, really good. So, guys, like I said, it's not that hard how to do it. Got to pop that lever in the back, couple screws, bing, bang, boom. If it's a direct swap, it's a direct swap like this. Very easy. Just swap your headlight bulbs right over, and bam. I really like it. I'm not going to lie. I really like the look of this aggressiveness over the old chrome. So, all right, guys. So that's what we got for you. It is Easter Sunday. So happy Easter, whatever you want to call it. My kids were saying happy Easter this morning when looking for the eggs and stuff. So we had a great Easter morning for us all. Truck's running amazing. Just waiting on the wheel, hitting the track, going for them 10s. At a very heavy weight on pump gas, guys. That's the goal. Pump gas plus a little boosting, but that's all we got going. Nothing crazy. No race gas, no meth injection. Little boosting and some 93 octane, guys. And she's running great. Like I said, I just want to get to the track and race and go for them 10s, and then have the whole season coming out. And I did a lot of calculations. I'm going to go through that in the next video of how much weight, because we're actually adding on the 66-pound tailgate. I weighed it. 66-pound tailgate. We're actually going to add that back on, but we're going to take out some other stuff that's going to help equal it out. So I'll go through all that in the next video of when I'm at the track and stuff, and see how much it actually helps. So we're actually going to probably technically gain but lose weight. If that makes sense, if you know what I mean. with the wheels and tires. That's why I'm saying lose, but technically gain, and it's not going to be as much as I thought. So very happy. Everything's going great, guys. Just wait for that wheel and hit the track. And like I said, I love these headlights, man. It's going to look really good, really aggressive looking. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.